First thing we're going to do is we're going to make some bacon. And I'm thinking about bacon, eggs, grits, and pancakes. Because I want grits. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you guys how to cook grits. If you guys don't know, we're going to show you today. Some grits and some cheese. Yes, Southern style. So I'm just going to put my bacon down. And there's no specific way to just put it down. I just put it down on top of each other. Once it starts cooking, you know, I start moving them around. And that's how we do the bacon. So we have home fries in the oven cooking as well. I wasn't going to do this video today, but I said, you know what, since I'm cooking, why not? You know, it's not like this is something, you know, I was, you know, prepared to do. You know, I have to do it, so why not? This is something I don't have to prep for, because this is something that I have to do. Fix breakfast for me and my family on Christmas morning. And I introduce you to my dog, which is Aiden. So he done had his Christmas present, which was the soft gristle from the pork, the pork. So he's sitting there now. He's laying down. He's good to go. Until later, I have another huge bone for him as a Christmas present from me to him. So while we eating our dinner, I'll give him that to play with, because if not, he'll sit there pouting while we eating. So I'm going to put this in the oven now. Okay. And when that finished cooking, we'll be right back. So this here is the home fries. It's hot. I just took it out of the oven so I can show you guys. So it was seasoned, cut, put in hot water and let it boil for about 10 minutes. And then we put them in the oven. So we're going to let this finish cooking as well. So Christmas breakfast continue. We're going to do some scrambled eggs. Some pancakes. Put the eggs inside. Pepper. The one I actually want, I don't have right now, that's the crush. The one you have to turn. Well, they call it fresh. Just going to add a dab of salt. Not too much, because I like to put the cheese in my eggs. Oh, Jesus, that's a little bit too much. Okay guys, so we're going to start. The water's boiling, so all I do is I add the grits. This is as much as I think we're going to need. I don't know the measurements. But everybody is different. You use as much as you want or as less. And if it come out too thick, you're going to have to add water. So we're going to give that chance to boil. And while that's going on, I'm going to go set up to make the pancakes and make the scrambled eggs. Let's check that. It's doing a little thicker. So I think we need just a little bit more to make sure. As you can see, that's starting to do its thing. It's thickening up. We want it to thicken up. So I'm going to add just a little bit more, and I think this is going to be my last time. It should be good. So I'm going to just put the cheese on the top because that's ready. A little bit more. Does that look pretty good? Yep, looks pretty good to me. When everyone get up, they'll be having breakfast made by me. So you guys have seen me do pancakes plenty of time. So just make sure this is good to go. See what our grits is doing. And let's stir them up real quick. Get some butter. Put some butter in there. There you have it. Southern grits. Good morning to you. There you go. That's the consistency you're looking for. So let me just get some butter to put in there. And we'll continue. This is my favorite butter I love to use. Okay. I don't know why I think you guys need to know that, but just a little bit more butter. I'm gonna flip it around in 1 minute and watch the pancakes cook. Then we're gonna make this eggs. And spin it back around so we can make the eggs, because that grease is very hot right now. I always tell you guys, olive oil cooks so quick that it's absolutely crazy. Okay, so now we're going to switch it back around. Okay, guys, there we go. This is how I do breakfast, so everything can be done at the same time. Hopefully the eggs will be done. So eggs are done. Let's turn them over. Okay. So while that's doing that, I'm going to go set up the table, take the orange juice out. Right with you guys. Keep an eye on those pancakes for me now. Home fries is done? Yes, ma'am. Home fries are done. Sir, you got to get some cups. The orange juice. I already had coffee this morning, guys. You already know how I do. Okay. So our butter's melting real quick, which is good. Okay, guys, so our breakfast is ready. Don't mind those cakes over there. Those need to be done later, but here we go. That's the breakfast we just made. So, guys, all I want to say is Merry Christmas and enjoy and eat happy with your family this morning. Bless you, and we'll see each other soon. Bye-bye.